In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into ClickUp. Importing your spreadsheet is a great way to bring tasks, deadlines, and details into one place without retyping. I'll walk you through the process, point out what each screen means, and share a few quick tips so your data lands exactly where you expect. Start by clicking your workspace name in the top left corner of ClickUp. This opens the main menu for your current workspace, so make sure you're in the right one if you use multiple. Next, click Settings to open the area where you control workspace-wide options and tools. In Settings, select Import/Export. This section centralizes anything related to moving data in or out of ClickUp. Choose Spreadsheet to start an Excel import. ClickUp works best with .xlsx files, which most recent versions of Excel create by default. Upload your Excel file. Before you do, it helps to tidy the sheet. Put your column headers in the first row. Keep one task per row, avoid merged cells, and keep date formats consistent. If you have older .xls files, save a copy as .xlsx first. The cleaner the sheet, the smoother the import. Once the file is uploaded, you'll match the columns in your spreadsheet to ClickUp fields. Map the column that holds your task titles to task name. If you track details, map them to description. Dates can go to due date or start date. If your sheet includes assignees, match them to assignee. They'll work best if the names match users in your workspace. You can also map priority status, tags, or any custom fields that exist in your workspace. If a column isn't useful, choose to skip it. Take a moment to review the preview on screen to confirm values. Look correct, especially for dates and drop-down-like fields. For peace of mind, you can start with a tiny test sheet, just a few rows, to make sure the fields line up the way you expect before running your full import. Also, keep a backup copy of your original Excel file. If your dates include times, confirm the format shows both date and time in the preview. When everything looks good, click Import. ClickUp will process the file and create tasks based on your mapping. Large spreadsheets can take a minute, so don't worry if you see a brief progress indicator. After the import finishes, open the destination to spot check a few tasks. If something needs adjusting, it's often quickest to fix the spreadsheet and run another import. And that's how you import Excel into ClickUp. Quick and easy! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.